this video is for anyone that's filing bankruptcy. Chapter 7, Chapter 7. This is my advice. Been in this business for 24 years. I want to give you some advice. If you file Chapter 7, you have a car that you're paying on, and you say, you know what, I want to keep my car. I'm going to keep driving my car. Then maybe after your bankruptcy is discharged, your Chapter 7, because Chapter 7s are discharged in 90 days, you say, you know what, I want to trade it in. Huh? Okay, listen. Trading in after your bankruptcy hurts you. You know why? And I'm telling you this because you filed a Chapter 7, it's discharged. If your car is not worth what you owe, you're in a bad situation. So if you're going to keep your car through the bankruptcy, make sure you're going to keep it for a year or two after your bankruptcy. Trading in after the bankruptcy is not smart because it's going to be harder for you to get approved. Harder for you to get approved if you take that car through the bankruptcy and then you want to trade in a month or two after. If you're going to keep your car through the bankruptcy, Chapter 7, trade in a year or two later. But make sure if you keep it, you reestablish your credit by getting your credit card. It's very important that you reestablish after your bankruptcy. But what I find is a lot of customers come in and you know what they want to do? They want to trade the car in after the bankruptcy. They want to get something new. And you owe too much on your car. And you know what? After you have your car and you're paying for it through your bankruptcy, even though you filed Chapter 7, they're not reporting to your credit report. So nobody knows what you're doing with that car. So I'm giving out some key nuggets here, but I hope you're listening because I find a lot of customers that figure, I want to trade my car in now. If I was you and I filed bankruptcy, I filed Chapter 7, I would get me an old hoopty, right? If I didn't care about this car, I would go get me an old hoopty for $1,000 or $2,000 and drive that until my bankruptcy discharged. I would, in some cases, if I could establish after my bankruptcy for 2 or 3 months, I would. Because you want to establish after bankruptcy. Actually, I'll wait 6 months. But if you can't, then buy that hoopty if you want to turn your car in. And then come in and try to get into another car. Be smart when you file bankruptcy. You know, hopefully you're going to get with somebody that's going to look out for you. I'm not a bankruptcy attorney. I'm just giving you my advice. I didn't go to school for it and I don't know the law. I'm just based on telling you, I know some of the law when it comes to that, but not all of it. But I'm just telling you based on my 24 years experience having customers come in. And inflation has changed a lot, right? So that means the banks are not giving you money like they used to. All right? Hope you enjoyed this video.